Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add numbers counter for your site in Site123. So let's just start. First, what you want to do is just click here on add new page, and let's write here numbers or numbers counter. So you can have choose between these two or these three. Let's click here numbers counter, and you're gonna see it here that is like really perfect. Now I'll just click here manage page, and you can see like you can really play around it. So happy customers, you can see it here that count to 50,000, description, change the color, or have it default. I would leave it on default. Then you're gonna see like choose image, and you're gonna choose icon. Then you can choose what icon you want. Save and close, and let's see how it looks like. Pretty cool. Let's just choose like add new item here. Let's go with the like 10 billions, how much money I made, icons, and money. Nice. Save and close. And let's see. As you can see, it's perfect, but I recommend going with the 4 now. Go with the 4. That's what I would do. So yeah, this is how we would do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Goodbye.